Hello everyone, my name is Yogesh Raheja and I work as the CEO and Director of Technology at Thinknyx Technologies. I have been using configuration management tools like Puppet, Chef, Salt, and Ansible for automation in various solutions. In fact, I have written few books on Ansible and Puppet and have published courses on Chef and Puppet. These are all great tools that can save you a lot of time. However, when you scale your environment, you will start facing challenges such as complexity with tools like Puppet or Chef, and performance and speed issues with tools like Ansible. This is where a Rust-based automation platform like JetPorch or Jet can capture your attention. Jet is pretty new, and this is where we thought of putting together this series of Jet tutorials to get started with Jet quickly. So let's get started by understanding what JetPorch stands for. It stands for Jet Enterprise Professional Orchestrator, which is a general purpose community driven IT automation platform for configuration, deployment, orchestration for your IT infrastructure. JetPorch is primarily known as Jet. Now let's dive into Jet introduction. Jet is the latest Rust-based high-performance IT automation tool, which can be used to configure, manage, deploy, and orchestrate various applications and services across your entire infrastructure. The earliest version of Jet was recently released on 29th September 2023 by Michael Dehaan, the mastermind behind Ansible, a software that changed the landscape of automation in the infrastructure domain. We are glad to see Michael Dehaan behind Jet. Jet comes with three deployment models: local, agentless, which is SSH based, and agent based mode. The work is in progress for agent based mode as of today, which is 13th December 2023 at the time of recording of this video. Jet supports Linux, Mac, and any Unix like operating systems. Unfortunately, there is no room for Windows this time. The biggest question is why Jet? We will not compare various configuration management tools in this series. Rather, our focus is to explore the capabilities provided by Jet. Jet is implemented in Rust, which is extremely fast and known for massive parallelism. Jet is scalable with any cloud environment, virtual machines, and standalone servers. Jet can be used to manage tens to thousands of nodes with ease. Jet uses YAML to make it easy for any users to get started. It gives us the same result every time. Codes written in Jet are highly idempotent in nature. Jet is completely free. The documentation clearly states that there are no plans to create any commercial software ever, regardless of what happens. Jet can be used to automate regular repetitive tasks like software installation and configurations, user management, VM image builds, hotfixes, and literally anything you want to automate on your operating system. The Jet documentation is available at www.jetporch.com. Let us dive in and understand various sections of the Jet documentation. Let's go to jetporch.com. The documentation is divided into various sections like basics, community, inventory, playbooks, modules, connectivity, developer guide, and appendix. We will going to refer this documentation in our upcoming episodes, where we will set up Jet and we'll see how Jet can be useful in doing various automation tasks. In this episode, we will focus on understanding how anyone can contribute or keep updated with Jet progress. There are various sections under community, which can be used to keep yourself up to date with Jet. The first section is Discord chat. Now, when you talk about Discord chat, this is used as a chat box for general purpose discussions, highlighting minor issues, discussing ideas on development, etc. I must say Michael Dehaan is very kind and generous in responding to everyone. Now let me see how it looks like. See, you are having Jet here. Now if you see here, there are two sections which I have referred so far. One is Jet development and one is the Porch. So this Jet development is specifically for development discussions. And when you talk about any generic discussion, you can refer this general chat, which is the Porch. Example, if you see here, I have been discussing with Michael Dehaan yesterday itself. I was highlighting one of the documentation error, which was stating here 2024, which should be 2023. And see here how Michael Dehaan have responded instantaneously. And even this is the case with anyone. Whoever is posting or asking for any suggestions or any help, Michael Dehaan is very actively responding to everyone. So you can join this chat channel from here. The next is the roadmap or the blogs and announcements. So when you talk about the blogs and announcements, now if you see here, you can subscribe something called Substack. Even I'll show you this as well. Now this is a place where you will be able to see lots of blogs, newsletter, announcements. Now if you scroll down, I'll specifically show you one blog here. If I scroll it down a bit, see this. Loading inventories for 1 million hosts in 4 seconds. I must say, anyone who will going to do any POC on Jet or is planning to use Jet in their environment, this blog is really good, which will let you know that how fast Jet can be in your environment. Now, if you see this roadmap, future roadmap is, it's all mentioned here in Trello. So if I open it, you will be able to see the entire plan here. See this 29th September 2023, the first release of Jet was done. This second tech preview is completed. There are um, certain things which are in progress as of now. And when you see here, the third 0.03 release is also having some planned items here. So you will be able to see the entire roadmap here. Now, when you come to the status, it will show you the current release is 0.1.1. Under development, we have 0.2.0. And when you come down here, you will be able to see the entire support metrics. See here, there is no windows. If you wanted to contribute, right? If you are interested, you can actively contribute in the development of Jet. The source code of Jet is placed at Source Hut. Now, even if you come here under this section called Source Hut, you will be able to see the entire main project source code here. So if I open it, see here, you will be able to see the entire details. So you can go to source and you will be able to see the entire tree here. See this. Even if you wanted to raise any tickets related to development issues, you can do that using Source Hut. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for our upcoming episode 2, where we will cover Jet architecture, its terminologies, and Jet CLI utility. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.